Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll first confirm compatibility and free up space. Make sure your MacBook Air model supports Monterey. Once done, plug into power and connect to a stable Wi-Fi network so the download won't fail. Next, backup. Use Time Machine or create a full clone. This protects your data if something goes wrong. After the backup completes, open System Preferences and click Software Update to begin fetching the Monterey installer. Don't interrupt the download. You start the installer from the Applications folder and follow the on-screen prompts. Agree to the license and select your startup disk. Make sure to close non-essential apps so the installer can update system files without conflicts. During installation, your Mac will reboot one or more times. Let it run without forcing shutdown. If firmware updates are required, the process will include them automatically. That's why keeping the power adapter connected is important to avoid failed updates. Once installation finishes, you'll go through the Setup Assistant. Sign into your Apple ID, review iCloud options, and confirm privacy settings. Then check that your critical apps launch. Update them via the App Store or Developers Updates so compatibility is restored. If you run into problems, installer errors, boot loops, or missing files, restart into safe mode and try running the installer again. If that fails, restore from your Time Machine backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.